Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Handshake job preferences for faster matches. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure Handshake job preferences for faster matches, begin by logging into your Handshake account. Navigate to the Profile section located in the main menu. In your profile, find the Job Preferences tab. Click on the Job Preferences tab to open the configuration options. You'll see various categories for job preferences, including industry, role, and location. Start by selecting the industries you are interested in. Choose multiple options if applicable to widen your match potential. Next, move on to the Role section. Select the specific job roles that match your skills and aspirations. If you have a preferred job title, enter it in the relevant field. Now, turn your attention to the location settings. Specify your preferred work locations, including cities or regions. Consider adding remote opportunities if you are open to working from anywhere. Review your selections to ensure they align with your career goals. Adjust settings such as salary expectations and job type, if these options are available. After making your selections, locate the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click Save to apply your job preferences to your profile. Return to the main dashboard to see the updated matches based on your If you find any matches that do not meet your criteria, revisit the preferences and refine them as necessary. Regularly update your preferences to keep them relevant as your career goals evolve. Stay proactive in your job search by checking back frequently for new matches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.